Hello friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'm going to be showing you what I've prepared for dinner tonight. This is actually week 2 in the series Healthy Eating Lifestyle. So come with me, let me show you what I've prepared so far. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos. For the month of June, however, I am doing a series on healthy lifestyle cooking. So for the next 3 or 4 Mondays in June, we'll be discussing, or I'll be doing some recipes for the healthy lifestyle cooking. This is week number 2, so we have 3 more weeks to go. Today I'm preparing baked sockeye fish and baked vegetables, which includes cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cucumbers. For the roasted vegetable, which is the cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cucumbers, I'm going to be seasoning that up with ground paprika, chili powder, and of course black pepper. I'm going to be adding also some olive oil, soy sauce, and the juice from half of a lemon, and I also have some minced garlic that I'm going to be added in with a pinch of Himalayan salt. So let me add those together and then we'll put that in the oven in just a few more minutes as well. I've added in all the seasoning already, but pretty much what it is 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then for all the pepper and powder, chili powder, and the other ingredients, I've just added a half a teaspoon of those. But you can add whatever you choose as far as the seasoning goes. But these are the ones that I've been using, and they are pretty much just basic. But of course, you can add whatever you'd like to the recipe. So let me go ahead and stir this together, and then I will put it on the baking sheet. Then we'll go from there. So it's already stirred up, but here it is. I'll put it in the baking sheet now, and then we'll bake this for 400 degrees for 40 minutes. So let's go ahead and add it to the baking sheet right now. Everything is ready for the oven now. I will cover with foil the sockeye fish, and then I'll leave this open. But of course, I will turn this every 20 or so minutes. So if I'm putting it for 40 minutes, in about 20 minutes, I'll turn the Brussels sprouts and the cauliflower and the cucumbers over on the other side. Of course, you notice that everything is cut portion size, but the same size almost for everything. Usually I will just do the cauliflower, but today I'm adding everything else, so I just make sure they're about the same size so they bake at the same length of time. So let me go ahead and cover this with foil, and then we'll put them in the oven and bake them. The fish will be in a little bit longer, but I'll take out the vegetable in 40 minutes. The veggies are on the top shelf, and the fish is on the bottom shelf because it's going to be baking a little bit longer than the veggies. So I'll close up the oven, and then we'll wait for 40 minutes for the veggie and then 50 minutes for the fish. So 400 degrees, it says 51 minutes. Of course, it will take 50 or 51, so that's okay. We'll just leave it like that. So as 51 minutes for 50 minutes for the fish and 40 minutes for the veggie. So here it is, everything is done. The sockeye fish is baked, the vegetables are roasted, and there are some other side dishes here, and we are ready to eat. So I hope you like this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to my channel. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, as usual, a very special thanks to you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.